Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about final method. In this session, we are going to be find answer for two different question, which is overload a final method and override a final method. What is final method? If any method defined with final keyword, that is called as final method. Final means what? Fixed one. It is constant. We cannot able to change. First, we can find answer for can you overload a final method in Java? Let's see. What is overloading concept? Same name, different parameter. So that is called as overloading. Now we can going to be check whether it is possible or not using final. I'm going to be create class under Java keyword package. The class name is final super class. So this is the super class. Here I'm going to be create final method. So void display. Here I'm going to be give some syswo. This is final super class. So next again I'm going to be give another one method void message string name. So before I have to define string name. Okay. So here I'm going to be refer that current object name. So in this class having two different method. Okay. So next, so here I'm going to be add final keyword. Now two method called as final method. Again I'm going to be create another one class which is final subclass. So here I'm going to be extends the super class. Super class. Okay. So what I'm going to be do, I'm just copy this all method and paste it here, and I'm changing parameter string city. Okay. So again I'm going to be define another one string city, because now we are going to be checking overload, not for override, right? City equal to city. So and here I'm going to be change print final subclass. Here I'm going to be create main method. So this final method acts as class level or object level. Now we can check. So what is class name? Final subclass dot no. So we need to create object for this class, then only we can able to access this final method. Okay. So now I'm going to be create object for the subclass. Sorry. Sub dot what is the method print. So next sub dot message. So first I am going to be use subclass method name and city. So here I'm going to be give ROM city Chennai. Okay. So again I'm going to be create another object, or else using this subclass object we can able to access superclass method, because we are extends the superclass method, right? So sub dot display, again sub dot message, this one parameter, right? Govind. So now I'm going to be display So for this printing, I'm going to be give some sysfo here. Subclass name. Okay. Name and city. The same way I'm going to be give sysfo inside superclass. This is one parameter. I'm just remove this one. Superclass. So now I'm going to be execute. So it will be executed successfully, right? So we can able to achieve overloading inside final method, right? See, because the overloading concept is same method name, different parameter. So that reason does not conflict here. Okay. Next, we are going to be looking into, can you override a final method? What is overriding? So same name, same parameter. So that time it will be conflict happen, right? So that reason we are not able to achieve final overriding concept inside final method. Okay, so let's see in practical. So now I'm just remove everything. So in superclass also I removed everything. So here string name, I'm going to be create void display string name and string address. So here string address, this dot name equal to name, this dot address equal to address. Okay, so here I'm going to be give sysfo superclass and okay, so here I give name, address. So again inside subclass I'm going to be give the same method parameter. I just copy and I'm going to be paste it here. So I'm going to be create main method. So inside I'm going to be create object for subclass. Sub equal to new final subclass sub dot display. Geeta Delhi. So now I'm going to be execute. Proceed. Okay, so the Java exception occurred because here we are implementing override concept, which is here also same method name, same parameter. The same method also we are implemented in superclass. So what method we are created inside superclass? The same method parameter we are called inside subclass also. So here we are not able to achieve override inside final method. Okay. Because once you are declared final, it cannot be override.